Hello everybody. It's my great honor today to have interview with our customer, Mr. Chaudhary from P3 Company in India. So, good day. And I want to know, how do you feel about getting in touch with SteviS for these days?
It was a fantastic experience. I was in touch with Samara for long, but Samara once joined to SteviS. She started introducing company in a very well manner and always in touch. I am having business or no business. She was always giving the service with very good English communication and very technically clarify all the details. So that was a fantastic experience. Once I visited her factory, it was further increased my expectation, and we have go around the entire factory and seen how they are producing, how they are making, and also varieties of product she has explained to me.
It's my great honor to know you for such a long time, and it's also a great experience to get in touch with you. Okay, and so the second question, can you tell me about your comment about our company, including our service, our product and factory and other things?
But still, Samara used to give us all the assistance and directions and advice for further things. She always used to give service. That's a great thing.
Thank you so much. And so today we just signed a contract for a cutting machine. So I also want to know what's your idea for our future cooperation and your confidence or any suggestion and comments about us.
We have gone to visit different factories and see the conventional cutting machines which we required for our present operation. But for our coming modifications and expansion, we required the laser cutting machine online and offline, as well as laser welding machine, for which Samara has given certain quotations and ideas, and we hope in coming days we will go with this laser cutting machine as well as laser welding machine for our tube mills.
Okay, thank you very much. And again, welcome again to come to China, and hope we will meet you again very soon, and we will take good care of your machines and your orders.
We hope to finalize the laser welding machine and laser cutting machine. There is certain difficulties, but we will come up how to take this import to our India.
Okay, thank you. And we hope we will have a long-term partnership and friendship, and also we can well develop the Indian market together.
And we can hope that we can represent SteviS at India. If really they want our service, we are there.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so that's all for today's interview, and really appreciate for your kind comment on us, and that will also make customers work hard and be 100% responsible for all your requirements. You are our friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.